Business knowledge, all you need to know about business. Hello everyone, Business Knowledge has again brought a new business video for you. Today we will learn how to make red oxide primer. So let's start the video and establish the quantity of material required to make red oxide. First raw material we need to manufacture red oxide primer is white spirit. Second raw material we need to manufacture red oxide primer is soybean oil alkyd. Third raw material we need to manufacture red oxide primer is calcium naphthenate. Fourth raw material we need to manufacture red oxide primer is bentonite powder as a thickener. Fifth raw material we need to manufacture red oxide primer is red iron oxide. Sixth raw material we need to manufacture red oxide primer is heavy calcium carbonate. Seventh raw material we need to manufacture red oxide primer is talc powder 500 mesh. Eighth raw material we need to manufacture red oxide primer is cobalt naphthenate. Ninth raw material we need to manufacture red oxide primer is methyl ethyl ketoxim. 10th raw material we need to manufacture red oxide primer is AMP95, aminomethylpropanol. 11th raw material we need to manufacture red oxide primer is deionized water. Let's establish the quantity of raw material to make 100 liter of red oxide primer. White spirit equals 3.00 liter, soybean oil alkyd equals 45.0 liter, calcium naphthenate equals 1.00 liter, bentonite powder equals 1.50 kg, red iron oxide powder equals 20.0 kg, calcium carbonate equals 10.0 kg, talc powder equals 5.00 kg, cobalt naphthenate equals 0.40 liter, methyl ethyl ketoxim equals 0.30 liter, aminomethylpropanol equals 0.20 liter, deionized water equals 13.6 liter.
Mix all the liquid chemicals into the stainless steel jar and mix as well. Keep mixing until the liquid chemical is completely dispersed. When your mixing is done, after that you can start packing it in a bottle and sell it in the market.
I hope that the information given to you in the video will be useful and in future you will be able to start your own. Thanks for watching the video.